Want to know how you can have a guaranteed income for life, your lifetime, and your spouse's lifetime? By the end of this video, we're going to show you how that can be possible. Hi, I'm Matt, founder of Carlin Financial Group.
And I'm Jared, Vice President of Carlin Financial Group. For more information on how you can help make sure you don't run out of money in retirement, subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
So why do you need income in retirement? Well, obviously, you've retired. They're not sending you paychecks anymore, and you have to find some way to at least make up a portion of that income. Costs in retirement are going to continue for you. You might want to travel. You might want to go to the movies. You have to pay your car insurance, and you have to pay your mortgage, and you have to pay for health care. The increased cost of health care in retirement could affect you. So not running out of money is going to be key to making it through the rest of your life.
One way to make sure that you have an income that can provide for all of those things that you'll continue to need in retirement is by attaching an income rider onto an annuity contract. Now, what is an income rider? Well, an income rider is simply an addendum to a contract, in this case, a contract between you and an insurance company, and it provides you some additional benefit. Again, in this case, that benefit is an income stream. You can have it pay you just until you die, or you can have it pay you for both the full term of your life and that of your spouse.
So how does an income rider work? Well, first, let's look at an annuity that doesn't have an income rider. Your value is going to increase based on interest that is earned each year or gains that are added to your account depending on the type of annuity, and that creates an accumulation value for you. What an income rider does is it provides a benefit base or an income base. That's a guarantee from the insurance company. The guarantee comes in the form many times of what they call a roll-up, meaning each year that income-based value is going to roll up 6%, 7%, whatever the terms of that particular rider are. That creates the possibility of a lifetime income for you. Now, they don't do it out of the goodness of their heart. There is a fee. Normally, there's a fee somewhere in the range of 1%, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little bit less. But there is a cost for that income rider.
Typically. Sometimes.
That's true, typically.
They can be included for free.
Yes.
You just have to know what you're looking for.
That's true.
For many people, Social Security is their only guaranteed source of income. Now, if you want to make sure that you're going to be able to make it through your retirement without running out of money and not sure if Social Security is enough, leave us a comment down below. And if you'd like more information on ways that you can potentially grow your money with protection from market risk, check out the link in the description below.
So how do you access your money from that income rider once you have retired? Well, the longer you wait, the better the income could be. Obviously, because that is going to roll up every single year. So if you're 60 years old when you retire, you might not need that additional income till you're 70. So 10 years of growth at 6%, 7% can create a better value for you over the lifetime. You can activate that rider simply by filling out a form, contacting the insurance company, and they'll start it for you.
Now that you've decided that you're ready for income and you've notified the insurance company that you're ready to activate your income rider, how do you know how much you're going to get? Well, a lot of it's spelled out for you in the initial contract, and it's going to be based on your age and potentially the age of your spouse if it's going to be a joint payout. Let's take a look at an example here. Under the particulars of this hypothetical income rider, we can see that if we elected to start income at age 70, we could expect to receive 6% of whatever our benefit or income base had grown to at that point for the rest of our lives. Now, if we were to include a spouse, you see that payout drops a little since we're covering two people's lives to 5.5%, but again, as long as there's a surviving spouse, you'll receive that payment for life. Another option, though a little less common, could be an increasing payout. As you can see here, those amounts, while they do increase year over year, start with a little lower payout in the beginning. What does this look like for you? Let's take a look at an example where a client invested $50,000 into an annuity with an income rider. We'll call our pretend client Sally. And when we look at Sally's hypothetical illustration, we'll see that she has what's known as an account value. That account value includes her premium or principal plus any market-linked gains and any vested bonus amount that she's already earned. The unique thing about an income rider is that it creates a second value, an income base or a benefit base. That value grows at a stated and guaranteed rate. In this example, we'll say at 7.5% per year. Now that'll also include any typical bonus. When we look at Sally's example, she invested $50,000, received a bonus and her first year's roll-up, and then every year after that, her income base grew by the guaranteed 7.5% until Sally reached age 75 and decided she was ready to take income. At 75, her income base had grown to $82,567, so we need to determine her withdrawal percentage, which in this example we'll say is 6.43% at 75 years old. Multiply those two numbers, and we find out that Sally is set to receive $5,309 in income for the rest of her life every year as long as she lives, even if her account value has reduced to zero.
We help our clients address their number one fear, the fear of running out of money in retirement. One way that we can help provide them at least a portion of that guaranteed income is using income riders.
If you're someone that understands that having a guaranteed income for life is an important part of your retirement plan, and you think an income rider could fit, but you want to know a little more, click on the link down below and apply to become a client of ours. And if you liked this video, share it with your friends and make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching today, and remember, live today, but plan for tomorrow.